How about your eyebrow? You know how to do it? Do it?
That is for eyebrows.
Come on,
For
show.
eyebrows.
That's for eyebrow? Like that?
No, for eyebrows yan.
For eyebrows?
That is for eyebrows.
Okay, how about the cheeks? Come on. Use your brush. Brush.
That is for cheek.
For cheeks?
For eyebrows.
How about your brush? Brush your cheeks.
Wait for a minute.
You have a lot of brush. You like it?
I like.
Come
I have
on.
many things. I have two. And
Come on. Lipstick. Put
I
your...
put it ready.
You put already?
Yeah.
Can you show me how to do it?
I'm beautiful. Look.
Wow, you're beautiful. Come on.
Grabe.
Grabe. Come on. Show blush on in your cheeks.
Wait.
Where's your brush? What's that?
I have brush under there. I have brush.
Can you show me how to put it?
Wait. Come here. Come here.
Why?
Come here, Papa. Fix my hair, Papa.
Later. Show me how to put the blush on.
Fix my hair.
Mama, how to do that?
Papa, fix my hair right now. Kuya, fix my hair, Papa.
Don't shout. Later na, later.
Please.